channel. So today I'm going to be testing out some makeup that I've never tried before. These are e.l.f. products, and to be quite honest with you, I've only tried one e.l.f. product before in my life. One. That's it. So I don't know why. I just feel like I'm never really at a Walmart. So pretty much in Canada you can find e.l.f. at Walmart. You can also buy it online. Sometimes Winners. Like, it's not like widely everywhere except for Walmart's pretty much. So I'm going to be testing out a few products and I'm going to tell you how I feel about them. I was actually given these for a Christmas gift from my friend Elizabeth. Thank you so much. Actually, she has a YouTube channel and I will link it down below. She's great at reviews. So let's just go over with what I have. I actually have this contour palette by them, which I've tried like once or twice. This was given to me by my friend Sarah, but I'm going to be using this today to use. I honestly have hardly used this, so I'm going to use this today on my face to sculpt and to bronze, but I'm also going to use it as eyeshadow. So we're going to try it as an eyeshadow palette. I also have a pair of their fake eyelashes, which I've never tried. Then I have a liquid liner and a glitter liner. We also have a baked highlighter, which probably can double almost as a blush. I have a eyeliner pencil in white, and then their new liquid matte lipstick, which I'm really excited to try because it's very affordable and I would like to see if it works. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. I will link everything down below, all the products I've used before this video started. So let's just get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to bronze the skin with more of this warm shade here. So we're gonna go in and bronze away. This is called the Contour Palette.
Make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you.
I actually like this. It's looking nice. It's blending out really nice. It's not too much kickback either when you dip your brush into it, so that's a good thing. So then I'm going to try out the contour shade, which is more of this ashy kind of taupe shade. So let's give that guy a go. It's actually nice. Like, it does create that illusion of a shadow because it is ashy, but it's not to the point where it looks really muddy. So I actually like that. And then for my nose contour, I'm kind of going to dip into both shades here and sculpt out the nose. So I'm going to try out this highlighter. Now this shade right here is supposed to be kind of a highlighter looking thing. I use that on my little fan brush. I'm not sure about this color. If you're a little bit more pale, you probably would really like this. It's tiny too light. It's a little bit powdery, but it's not bad. So next we're going to try out this. This is called their Baked Highlighter in Apricot Glow. For me, I think I'm going to use this as a blush because it's a little bit bronzy and I just can't see it being like an actual highlight. It's actually really nice. It's definitely like, it's a blush kind of color for me. If you have a deeper skin tone, you might like this as a highlight. But it actually looks nice. It's not glittery. It does have a good shine to it, but if you're looking for that kind of healthy skin cheek kind of glow, you actually might like this as a blush. I actually don't mind it. I think it's nice. So let's start with the eye. So I'm just gonna be basically doing like a simple kind of nude eye using the same palette we used to contour the whole face. First I'm gonna go in with more of this flesh tone kind of shade. And I'm going to apply that all over the eye. Okay, so next I'm going to pick up this lighter brown shade, the one I used as bronzer. I'm just going to pick that up on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to start to work that into the crease. I'm also going to drag the same color underneath the lower lash line. So next I'm going to take a little bit of the ashier shade that we used to contour with, and I'm going to focus that also in my crease, but just in the actual socket and not go any higher than that. I'm going to use a little bit of the shade too on the lower lash line, but just focus it on the very outside. Just kind of keep it right here. I'm going to apply some of this Benefit. This is the Brightening Concealer. And what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to carve out my eye a bit just to give the lighter shade a little bit more of a base to stick to make it a little bit brighter. So almost like a cut crease in a way. It helps to look down when you're doing this because you can kind of create where you want it to go exactly, because if you're looking straight on, it's kind of harder, so it's good to look down like so. So before that dries, I'm going to take our highlighting shade that we used on the cheekbone and I'm going to pack that on the eye. And just build the color back onto the outer part of the eye. And then I'm actually going to take this glitter and kind of just press it all over the inner portion of the eye. And now we're just going to repeat on the other side. Okay, so next we're going to try out this liquid liner from them. I actually don't love using brushes like this. I like more of a felt tip, so this could be interesting. Wish me luck, especially on camera. This is hard. It's actually really easy to use. I just kind of like to pull it out and then kind of brush off the excess on the sides. Okay, surprisingly, I actually really like this liner. So far, I don't know how it's going to wear, but I like how it dries. It's drying down to a matte finish. It was actually really easy to apply. The brush is very, very thin, and you just take it and kind of dip off the excess product. The perfect amount goes on, and I found it really user-friendly. So I'm just really curious to see how that wears throughout the day, because so far I actually really, really like that. So that's good. So next I'm going to try out this guy. This is the Satin eyeliner pencil in the color Cosmic. Sometimes I really don't like using pencils in my waterline just because I feel like they get stuck on my contacts sometimes. I think it's cool how the liner gives you a little sharpener in the cap, so that's handy because you'll always have a sharpener with you. Oh, this is really cool. It almost has like it looks pink. So this Cosmic pencil is not white, it goes on pink. I will zoom it in so you guys can see. But it's definitely really creamy and it glides on really easily. This one actually has a pink tinge, which I think is actually pretty cool. Okay, so next I'm going to curl the eyelashes. I'm going to apply my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Just one coat because I'm going to be applying their fake eyelashes over top. The lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the Annabelle Skinny Mascara. So next I have a pair of these. They're called Winged and Bold Luxe Lash Kit. It actually comes with glue, but I'm not going to be using that because I need latex-free glue. And I don't know if this is latex-free, so I think it is, but you know what? I'm not going to risk it because bad things happen when I use latex. So I'm just going to use what I normally use, which is the Duo Lash Glue. To use these lashes, you're going to have to apply some sort of dark liner to make it all kind of blend together. So I do suggest using some sort of like liquid liner or something beforehand. It will blend seamlessly, and without it, it will look kind of strange. So that's actually super easy to apply. I like to let it dry a bit first, and then I like to kind of go back in and press up on them, but they need to dry a bit first before I do that. I actually really like the band on these because they're very, very movable. They're not stiff. It's the stiff bands that become a problem, but these ones are really, really pliable, so I think these are pretty decent eyelashes. They're super easy to put on. Like, these are probably one of the easiest pairs of eyelashes that I've ever glued onto my eyes. So that is impressive because I think they're like $1, which is unbelievable. I have to double check that, maybe because these ones are like the Luxe. I'm not too sure, but I know that they're super affordable. Okay, so now we have one more product to try out. This is their new liquid matte lipstick. This is in the color Marvelous. So I'm excited because I love myself a liquid lipstick. I think this color is going to go really nice with the eye look. This eye looks very muted, very understated. This color is so similar to my natural lip color. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so easy to create, and to be honest with you, I am so impressed with e.L.F. products. I cannot believe that I kind of haven't tried them before. It's not that I didn't think that they were good. I just kind of feel like sometimes when stuff is cheap, I'm kind of like, I don't really know how good it's gonna be, but I am blown away by pretty much everything I have tried. Okay, first of all, the contour kit, definitely highly suggest as like a contour bronzer thing. As the highlight part, I wouldn't say it's amazing. The highlighter in the kit is not that great, but the contour and highlight thing is really good because I find it goes on kind of soft and you can work it in and blend it so it's not too harsh. So I think that's really great, especially if you're a beginner and you kind of want to try to contour and highlight. As eyeshadows, I think they did a good job. They're not overly pigmented. Obviously, it takes time to build, but I do think you can also double it as an eyeshadow and it would work fine for you. This little liquid glitter did an amazing job. I really like the way I applied it. I think it would be great just to go over a liquid liner just to kind of give you that really nice glitter precision, but I think just pat it on top of an eyeshadow. It's actually stunning. It's beautiful. And the eyeshadow kind of went on a little bit powdery, a little bit kind of patchy. But when I applied this over top, it looked amazing. It actually looks smooth. It looks beautiful. So I definitely highly suggest this product. This freaking lash kit, I don't know how much these are, but I'm gonna double check, but I think they're close to like a couple of dollars. Okay, first of all, I don't usually like lashes that the band is a dark band, but this one went on so easy and the band is very pliable and it's easy to stick on. Like I legit put glue on them and put them on my eye and I didn't really even have to play with them. They kind of just settle down and they look amazing. They feel really lightweight. I like how it's more full at the end and then it tapers in. I think it's beautiful. I definitely would suggest these for $1 or $2 and it comes with glue. So like even if you don't have glue, you can buy that for like $2 and you get the glue and you get the lashes. I don't know how the glue is because I didn't want to use it just because of my allergy to latex. I don't want to take chances, but the lashes itself are unbelievable. The liquid liner. Again, I don't usually like liquid liner like this. I find it kind of difficult to use. I could find it can be messy. This stuff, so easy to use. The brush is so skinny. You just kind of want to take the excess off before you start using it. But it went on so easy, so precise, and dried down matte. I want to see how it wears. It's kind of late at night, but I'm going to leave it on for a bit to see how, if it doesn't crumble, if it doesn't, you know, if it's waterproof kind of, but we'll see how that works. But so far, super impressed by that. This little baked blush thing or highlight, as a highlight, it won't work for my skin tone, but I kind of used it as a blush and it gave my cheeks a really nice radiant flush. So I think it looks really nice. I'd be interested to check out other shades if it comes in other shades of this because I think it's very, very, very pretty. It doesn't have like an ultra soft texture. It's kind of a little bit more powdery, but I think the way it looks on the skin, it does a really nice job. This liquid lipstick, damn. Oh damn, like I don't know how much this is, but I know it's not that expensive, and I'm telling you this is better than some of my high-end liquid lipsticks I've ever tried. It's not cracking, it looks great, it went on easy, there's no weird smell, it doesn't really smell like anything, the color's beautiful, so I definitely want to check out other shades in these because I definitely think these are worth it. I don't know how much these are, but I know they're not expensive, and I definitely would buy these because I think that as a liquid lipstick, I love liquid lipsticks, and these are fabulous. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video helpful if you're maybe thinking about checking out e.L.F. products like me. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.